Meet the secretary bird, a striking bird of prey known for its long legs and elegant plumage. Standing up to 4 feet tall, it dominates the open landscapes of Ethiopia. This skilled hunter relies on its powerful legs to stomp and flush out prey, and its sharp beak to deliver precise strikes. Snakes, insects, and small mammals are all on its menu. During the breeding season, these birds form monogamous pairs. Despite their impressive wingspan, secretary birds are primarily terrestrial and take to the skies only when necessary.